Hello, amazing people. Welcome back to my channel. This is also about okay. If you are seeing this video right now, I want to say a very big thank you. Thank you so much for being part of this amazing journey with me. Just like yesterday when I was celebrating 50 subscribers, here we are today celebrating 1,000 subscribers. Yes, we are 1,000 amazing subscribers. You all are wonderful. You all are awesome. I say a very big thank you to you for being part of this amazing journey, for the likes, for the comments, for sharing photos, engaging in my videos. I say a very big thank you. Do well to stay glued as we explore and enjoy this amazing journey of faith, beauty, lifestyle together. Expect more hairstyle inspo and tutorials, faith, beauty, and lifestyle content. And please do well to continue engaging in my videos by liking, dropping a comment, and sharing to family, friends, and everyone you know, everyone on your contact list. This is me saying once again a very big thank you to everyone. See you in my next video. Remember, Jesus loves you. Bye. Hello, amazing people. Welcome back to my channel. It's House of Adike. Yes, we made it to 1,000 amazing subscribers.